Hey everyone, John here from the Alpha Vitesse studio in beautiful British Columbia. With us today we have a 2021 Yamaha MT-03. We'll be installing some products on this bike, including frame sliders, front and rear axle sliders, bar end, and spools. Our products do fit models 2016 and up. Nice and easy installation, so let's get to it. Now, if you guys have seen our previous videos, the installation for our frame sliders on most of our bikes is pretty straightforward. MT-03 is no exception. We've gone ahead and developed a one mount frame slider here. Now, this is where the adapter sits. However, we have created an adapter that sits in two places. It sits firmly on the bottom side here, and the telescopic design allows it to sit on the outside as well. This creates more surface area for any impact dispersion in case of a drop or a crash. We've also provided the slightly longer puck, which extrudes the adapter the appropriate amount to provide perfect protection. Now let's go ahead and install this frame slider. Again, pretty straightforward. So we'll begin by taking our bolt and washer. Both adapters and both bolts, left and right, are exactly the same. Go ahead and place that in there. Grab our thread locker. Go and drop the thread locker at the end. Go ahead and sit the adapter firmly against the frame here. Grab our tool with our hand. We'll begin threading it, making sure the thread catches correctly. Once we have that slightly tightened, we can continue using the tool. Alright, I'll be grabbing my torque wrench now and tightening it to recommended specs. Now I'm just making sure that the Alpha Vitesse logo is sticking up. Once that's completely tightened, the installation for the right side is complete. Again, left side installation is exactly the same. Just go ahead and do that, and we can jump on to the next product. Now we'll be moving to the front of the bike here. We'll be installing the front axle sliders. Now in this case, we'll be pre-assembling the right side of the sliders first. Now if you need help identifying which adapter is left, which is right, make sure to refer to your installation manual. If for any reason you've misplaced that installation manual that comes in your kit, you can jump over to our website. All the guides are ready for download directly on our site. So we're grabbing the right adapter here, 35mm bolt with washer. We'll go ahead and pre-assemble this. One drop of thread locker at the end here. Grabbing our rod. And we'll go ahead and thread the rod as far in as possible till the rod touches the adapter. Once that touches the adapter, no need to tighten any longer. Final tightening will be done once we place the other side. So let's go ahead and insert this into the rod and pre-assemble the left side. Grab my left side adapter and puck. grab longer bolt and washer, place that inside, one drop of thread locker at the end there, and we'll jump over to the other side and place this on the axle. Now I'm finding the rod with the bolt on the other side. Should not be difficult. May require a little wiggling here, maybe not, but just a couple of threads and you'll find the rod with the bolt. Very easy. Now that I've hand tightened it on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and hold this bolt with an Allen key, and using another Allen key or a wrench, I'm going to go ahead and tighten it on the left side. Now that's fully tightened, installation for front axle sliders is now complete. We have gone ahead and installed the rear axle sliders, which is exactly the same installation process as the front. We have also installed the spools. If you require any guidance on installing that product, installation guide will be down in the link below. Final order of business is installation of the bar ends here. Replacing these will complete the whole Tactique series on this MT-03. Pretty simple installation here. 5mm socket or Allen key. You might have some thread locker on the original bolt here. Just apply a little bit more pressure and you should be able to remove this fairly easy. Once that's removed, we're going to go ahead and find our Alpha Vitesse bar ends here. Now you'll notice the little wedge here, and you'll find the negative of it inside of the handlebar. We'll go ahead and place a drop of thread locker here and find that little wedge and place the bar end in the correct location. This will give it some resistance and it'll prevent the bar end from actually twisting. We're going to hand tighten this, make sure thread catches correctly. We're going to grab our 5mm again. Tighten this to recommended specs. Once that's installed, now this bike is complete with Alpha Vitesse products and you're good to go. We have now completed the MT-03 with the entire Tactique series products. More products will be coming to this bike. Be sure to check out our social media pages, our website for recent launches, and be sure to stick around for more videos such as this. Like and subscribe.